How to delete Instagram comments. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Instagram comments, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are two types of comment. One is if you want to delete the comment that you made on someone's post, or if you want to delete the comment that someone else made on your post. We will get through both of these. So first of all, let's get started. If you comment something to someone's post here, so let me just go ahead and then type in anything in this case, and then I'll just comment a random text. I'll just tap the post option and my comment has been posted. If I would like to delete that comment, all I need to do is long press on it here, tap the trash icon over here, and that comment will get deleted. The other scenario is if you come to your profile page and let's say you have a comment on one of your photos or anywhere over here, you can just go ahead and long press on it here, and then let's say you want to delete a particular comment, long press on it and then just tap the delete option and that comment will get deleted. This way you should be able to go and delete Instagram comments. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.